Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today we have a very, very special chef guest, none other than the President, Ayo Olaseinde, and he got some great news for everyone out there.
Thank you, Naomi. It's great to be here. I know you call me a chef guest. I'm just a guest. I don't know about chefing. And we have a special item we're revealing for the promotion for the month of October. It's our brand new deep dish skillet. But what's special about this, just look at that. On the inside, it's got a utility rack that we've never had before. Just look at that. Oh my God, we can
Wow.
grill money as well. Grill money as well. So Naomi, I'll let you explain a little bit more about what this beautiful product can do.
Let's go over it again. Our new limited edition product for the month of October is the 10-inch deep skillet. And it's got a beautiful 316 rack. Now to start with, we're going to be making a dish, and it's gonna be the salmon pesto. So we have our chef guest here to do the slicing of the potatoes and onions. So take it away, Ayo.
Okay, this is hard work, but somebody's got to do it. So we're using the beautiful food processor, the amazing food processor. And we've got the number 3 cone. I'm going to do some sweet potato, and just look at this. We washed our hands earlier on. Just look at that. That's fine. And then we're going to do a little bit of onion. Just look at it. Now the great thing about Saladmaster with the onion is it doesn't cry. You don't cry as well with this. Just look at that. So we've got some onions there. We're just going to spread that around. And then I'm going to hand that back over to you. You're going to do something amazing.
Yes. Okay. So we have here our spinach. It's about 2 cups of spinach here. Okay, we're gonna dump. This is what I love about the Saladmaster method of cooking. All you need to do is just basically dump everything. And we're gonna have a cup of brown rice on top, cook already. And then we're gonna put a little bit of our, for like about 2 tablespoons of pesto, just on top. Wow, it's gonna be really, really good. And I would like to thank my friend Katherine for this beautiful recipe. Then we have cherry tomatoes on top, cut in half. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of capers because I love capers in my fish.
I love capers.
Okay, too. And then, Jaran, we have the 316 rack. We're gonna set it on top. And then we have our 2 pieces of our
salmon. Oh, this looks amazing.
It is amazing. And then we're gonna add more capers on top. I hope it holds. Look at that. And it's so easy, Ayo. All we need is cover. Set the temperature to medium over. And then once the vapor valve starts clicking, all you need to do is go back and then reduce the heat from medium to low for like about 15 minutes. So we'll be back after 15 minutes. You want to say something?
Yeah, I just want to say, but that's just for doing salmon. You could do a brisket, you can do all sorts of things in there. And if you take that lid off,
wow,
you can actually, if you've got something really tall, we can actually high dome it with the fork wall. This is so versatile, But I think let's put the lid on, let's cook that, and I'm looking forward to tasting it.
We'll be right back. Now 15 minutes is up, so we are ready to check out our pesto salmon.
I can't wait.
Wow.
It smells amazing.
Okay.
Does it look amazing?
It is going to be.
Okay.
So
should we do the reveal?
Yes, you do.
Okay, wow. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh, look at the color of that salmon. Right. Do you want to take a piece out of the salmon?
Okay, so wow, look at that. And then
wow. Okay, so let me just take this out. So because it's a bit hot, I'm just going to take this out a bit. And ooh, just look at that inside. It's just it smells amazing. Can you smell it? No.
Wow, it smells good. I can't wait to have a try of this. Rice, vegetables, and all that. Woo! Okay, Mr. President, I think it's your time.
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Thank you. So, well, you want me to try something?
Yes, try it.
Oh. So somebody's got to do this. It's a tough job, but I volunteered.
Yes.
Okay, so just take a little bit of salmon, a little bit of the rice, gosh, I'm just...
Yummy! Okay, so don't forget to subscribe again from our YouTube channel, Naomi's Corner. It's gonna be amazing. Happy cooking and congratulations and welcome.
Thank you. Can I be a full-time taster?
Yes. So thank you again, Ayo, for being my assistant chef for tonight. This is going to be amazing. So looking forward to our next recipe.